Good morning, children. In previous classes, we have learned from the political life lesson 4 key elements of a democratic government, how the people are participating in the elections, and also the in other ways of participating. They are doing the strike, and also the after strikes and rallies, after many they have done, then for the rights purpose the people can be participate in other ways. So all this sometimes the problems when they are arising, how the government is going to be solve the problems. So let us continue in the today's class. The next side heading is need to resolve conflict. If you see any conflict means the fighting between the two groups, two races, and the other ways. In previous we have seen in Maya's story, you read about how conflict can often lead to violence and death because one group decides that it is all right to use force prevent the other group from the protesting. And also that the in Maya's story what we have learned, the boy was died because the races are different, white people, black people, colored people, they made the different, no permission for black people to enter into the buses or separate hospitals, everything separate is there. In that protesting, when the procession was taking place, the boy was died by shooting of the police. So in the same way, once again you have to read the story how the conflict and how they got the freedom because of the Nelson Mandela, and in 1994 the South Africa become a democratic government. Here also some of the examples they have given. The read the story again. Do you think the police shooting of Hector could have been avoided, and how? So the conflicts occur when people different culture, religion, region or economic backgrounds do not get along with each other, or when some among them feel they are being discriminated against people. So children, here the conflict means the fighting between the different culture. Suppose the one culture, our culture is different and foreign culture also is different. One state to another state culture also is different. Religions, so many religions are there. Hindu, Muslims, etc. Many religions are there. Regions means the places. Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu, Kerala, different places are there, and also the economic backgrounds and development of the economically also it do not get along with each other, or when some among them feel. So some, if any time, if anyone is treating in different manner, in that moment the conflict is going to be takes place. People may use violent means to settle their differences. This leads to fear and tension among others living in an area. In the area, when the people were discriminating one region to another region, one religion to another religion, in that moment when the people are discriminating, when they are not accepting other category of the people, so in that moment the conflict is taking place. When the when discrimination is taking, when you are talking against the another religion or another culture, another region, so here takes the conflict. People may violent means to settle their difference. This lead fear and tension among others living in an area. The government is responsible for helping to resolve the conflict. When indifference between culture, religion, region, in the economic background, when the problem is taking place, when conflict is creating, when fighting is taking place, the police and also the government is more responsible to solve the problems or to resolve the conflict. Let us read some of the conflicts in our society and the role of the government in resolving them. So we can see here one example they have given. That example how the government is resolving the problem of the people also. Here, here if you see, the Indian Constitution lays down the basic rule or laws that have to be followed by everyone. These laws are for both the government and the people. So children, the Constitution, Indian Constitution, that it makes the rules and regulations. Constitution means it is a book of a law. All the rules and regulations, fundamental rights and fundamental duties are provided by the Constitution. To protect the fundamental rights, the government and people are the responsible. Conflict and differences have been resolved according to these laws. We will read more about this in the later. What do you mean by the Constitution? What are the rights are there? What are the duties are there? In coming classes we can be learn more about the Constitution. So providing of the laws, the religious processions and celebration can sometimes lead to conflict. Sometimes when religion festivals, when they are celebrating the processions, when they are taking the procession and all the time, sometimes it may takes the conflict. For example, the route a procession taken takes may lead to conflict. When the here one example they have given, religious procession time, the route procession takes may lead to a conflict. The government, particularly the police, play an important role in getting up representatives and concerned communities to meet and try arrive at a solution. So in this moment, when any religion procession is taking place, the police should play very important role to protect the people and to be solve if any problem arises. At times there is fear that violence may erupt in the during the procession time. If any violence is taking place, any disturbance is taking place with the people throwing stones or trying to be disrupt the procession, that the people, other category of the people, when they are going to disturb the procession throwing the stones, the police is responsible for ensuring the violence does not take place. So any procession, the government through the if any procession is taking place through police, they are going to be protect the people. They are going to be trying to be solve the problem, or the police will play very important role to control the peaceful manner of the procession. So here one more examples are there. Let us continue in the tomorrow's class. Thank you.